In this video we're going to look at creating and using SharePoint lists. So we've already looked at creating document libraries. A document library is for storing documents and, as we've seen, columns of information. A list is very similar. It just doesn't store a document. It stores these information columns but without the document. So let's have a quick look at how that works. If I choose New and create List, we get to choose what type of list we want to create. Now this can be any list you can think of. Traditionally people might keep a list of things in Microsoft Excel, for instance. So you may have a contact list that you keep in Excel. Ideally you could move that into a list in SharePoint and then all of your staff and colleagues can get to see that. So I'm going to create a blank list. Contacts, I'm going to call it contacts. We get to choose whether we show this in the navigation or not, and we can also put a description of what the list is for, and we create it. And once that's created, we'll see that it looks very much like a document library. It's got the columns here. We've got one column already, which is the title, so we'll create a new column. We'll call this first name. We'll have another column, surname. And mobile number. We can create as many columns as we want. We'll stop it here for this example. To use this list, all we have to do is click on New, and we can put our items in there. And just fill in the contact card. We can attach a document here if we wish to, and we can put a label on there if we wish to. Okay. So we've now got one contact in our contact list. I'm just going to add one more. Good old Fred Smith. And save. So what we've got now is our contact list, and we can sort the contact list if we want A to Z or Z to A, and so on and so forth. All of our colleagues can see this. Anybody can update it if you want them to, and it's a good way of sharing information. And if it becomes very, very long as a list, you can also export it to Microsoft Excel if you wish to. So that's creating and using lists.